Imagine a world where superhuman strength isn't just for comic book heroes. A world where ordinary people can lift hundreds of pounds without breaking a sweat. Where those with disabilities can walk again. This isn't science fiction, folks. It's happening right now thanks to powered exoskeletons. These mechanical marvels are revolutionizing what it means to be human. They're pushing the boundaries of our physical capabilities. And they're doing it in ways that would make Tony Stark jealous. But unlike Iron Man's suit, these exoskeletons are real. They're here, and they're changing lives as we speak. From helping paralyzed individuals walk again, to giving factory workers superhuman strength, powered exoskeletons are truly the stuff of the future. So, what exactly is a powered exoskeleton? In simple terms, it's a wearable machine that enhances human strength and endurance. Think of it as a robotic suit that you can wear. It's designed to work in harmony with your body, amplifying your movements and supporting your muscles. These exoskeletons come in various shapes and sizes. Some cover the entire body, while others focus on specific areas like the legs or arms. They're typically made of lightweight but strong materials like carbon fiber or titanium. And they're packed with sensors, motors, and advanced computer systems that allow them to respond to your movements in real time. When you're wearing one, the weight of heavy objects is transferred through the exoskeleton to the ground. This means you can lift heavier loads without putting strain on your body. The field of exoskeleton technology is advancing at a breakneck pace. One of the most recent breakthroughs comes from researchers at Stanford University. They've developed an exoskeleton boot that can help people walk faster and more efficiently. This lightweight device wraps around the shin and into a running shoe. It uses a motor to give the wearer an extra push with each step. Another groundbreaking development comes from Japan. Researchers there have created an exoskeleton that can be controlled by thought alone. This mind-controlled exoskeleton uses brain-machine interface technology to interpret the user's intentions. In the industrial sector, companies like Sarcos Robotics are making waves. They've recently unveiled their Guardian XO, a full-body powered exoskeleton. This suit can help workers lift up to 200 pounds repeatedly for up to 8 hours. Meanwhile, in the medical field, companies like Exobionics are pushing the boundaries of rehabilitation. Their ExoNR suit is helping patients with neurological conditions relearn how to walk. Section 4, the science behind the suit, how exoskeletons work. At their core, powered exoskeletons are a marvel of interdisciplinary science. They combine elements of robotics, biomechanics, materials science, and artificial intelligence. At the most basic level, an exoskeleton is a framework that fits around the body. This framework is equipped with joints that align with the wearer's own joints. These joints are powered by electric motors or hydraulic systems. The key to a good exoskeleton is its ability to work in harmony with the human body. This is where sensors come in. Exoskeletons are packed with sensors that detect the wearer's movements and intentions. These sensors feed data to a central control system, the brain of the exoskeleton. This control system uses complex algorithms to interpret the sensor data and decide how to respond. The control system then sends commands to the motors, telling them how much force to apply and in what direction. Most exoskeletons use rechargeable batteries to provide the energy needed to run the motors and control systems. As batteries become more powerful and lightweight, exoskeletons are becoming more practical for everyday use. Section 5. From hospitals to battlefields. Applications across industries. The versatility of powered exoskeletons is truly remarkable. They're finding applications in a wide range of industries, each with its own unique requirements. In the medical field, exoskeletons are revolutionizing rehabilitation. They're helping people with spinal cord injuries and stroke survivors regain mobility. These medical exoskeletons provide support and assistance, allowing patients to practice walking movements. In industry and construction, exoskeletons are making heavy labor safer and more efficient. Workers can lift heavier loads with less strain on their bodies. This reduces the risk of injury and fatigue. Some exoskeletons are designed to support specific parts of the body, like the back or shoulders. The military is another major area of application for exoskeletons. Soldiers often have to carry heavy loads over long distances in challenging terrain. Military exoskeletons can help distribute this weight more evenly, reducing fatigue and injury. In Japan, they're being used to help elderly farmers continue working their fields. In the world of sports, exoskeletons are being explored as training tools to help athletes perfect their movements. Section 6. The future is now. Exoskeletons and society. As we look to the future, the potential impact of powered exoskeletons on society is profound. We're standing on the brink of a revolution in human capability. Exoskeletons have the potential to redefine our understanding of disability. With advanced exoskeletons, the line between able-bodied and disabled could become increasingly blurred. This technology could offer unprecedented independence to those with mobility impairments. In the workplace, exoskeletons could lead to significant changes in labor practices. Jobs that were once considered too physically demanding might become accessible to a wider range of people. Despite these challenges, the future of powered exoskeletons is incredibly exciting. We're moving towards a world where physical limitations are increasingly overcome by technology. The powered exoskeleton is more than just a cool piece of tech. It's a gateway to a future where human potential is limited only by our imagination.